Welcome children for today's session. Today we will be learning about interiors of a polygon in our chapter 4 angles and pairs of angles. So we carry on with the interior of angles of a polygon. Are you ready? So there we go. So interior angles of a polygon. First you should know the meaning of polygon, children. The word polygon means poly means many and gon means angles. Many of the geometrical letters are from Greek. Okay, the invention is done by Greek mathematician. So many of the words are in Greek. So what is polygon is nothing but a plane figure with straight lines and angles, at least with 3 sides and 3 angles. So the simple plain one is a triangle. Okay. So polygon is understood. Now we go on for interior angles of a triangle. You all will tell me interior angles of a triangle. What is the measure of all the angles in a triangle? That is, if I take triangle ABC, angle A, angle B and angle C together should give me 180 degree. So this is all about interior angles. You can see the marking. This is the first angle, second angle and third angle with the cross. So angle A, angle B and angle C are the interior angles of triangle ABC. Interior, inside. It's a closed figure. So inside, these angles are inside the triangle. First we should know about interior angles, then only we will understand exterior angles. So angle A, angle B and angle C are the interior angles of triangle ABC. Therefore, measure angle BAC, because I wanted angle A as it's the first angle my marking. So I wanted it to be first. That's why I have started with angle BAC. Plus measure angle ABC. That means angle B we are talking. Plus measure angle ACB. We can say BCA also. So I have written ACB. That sounds good. Is equal to 180 degrees. So this 3 interior angles together should give you 180 degree. Keeping this in mind, children, we are going to solve or understand, rather I should use that word, many other triangles. Okay, that's called polygon. So let us see this table I have drawn. Name number of sides. That means how many sides does this figure have? Name of the polygon is a triangle. So how many sides a triangle has? 3 sides. Right now, this is the figure 1, 2, 3. So 3 sides. Number of triangles it makes. How many triangle? 1. So that's why it's 1. Sum of interior angles will be 180 degree into 1 because it's one triangle, children. Hope it's clear. It's one triangle. So 180 degree into 1 is equal to 180. Let us see the second one. Can you all see this? So it's a quadrilateral, right? Because you can see the figure 4-sided. And in that, how many triangles you have? 1, 2. First, let us talk about the number of sides. So how many sides, children? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? So it's a quadrilateral which has got 4 sides. So let us first write down number of sides. 4. Okay. So it's making 4. 4 sides it has got and the name is quadrilateral. Lateral. This is L. Quadrilateral. So how many triangles, children? You can see this dotted line There's a little flash coming. Quadrilateral. 1 and 2. Can you all see these two triangles? So this is one triangle. If I close this part, this is one triangle, this is second triangle. So number of triangles is 2. And sum of the interior angles will be, listen carefully, 180 degree into 2. That will be how much? Because 2 triangles. So 2 zeros are 0, 2 eights are 16, 1 carry, 2 ones are 3. That's 360 degree. Hope it's clear. 2 triangles, that's 180 degree into 2 children. Okay. Now look at the next figure. Come on, tell me the number of sides. That's right. How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 sides. So number of sides is 5. And what is the figure called as? Yes, 5-sided figure is called as a pentagon. Okay, pentagon. How many triangles? 1, 2, 3. How many triangles? 1, 2, 3. So 3 triangles. Right? So that means 180 degree into 3. That is 3 zeros are 0, 3 eights are 24, 2 carry, 3 ones are 3, 4, 5. 540 degree. 540 degree. Let's go on for the next figure, children. Count the number of sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so it's a 6-sided figure. So number of sides 6. And 6-sided figure is called a hexagon. What is it called? Hexagon. How many triangles it's making? Check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it's making 4 triangles. And when it makes 4 triangles, 180 degree into 4. That is how much? 4 zeros are 0, 4 eights are 32, 2, 3 carry, 4 ones are 4, 5, 6, 7. 720 degree. We go on with the next figure. Look carefully and tell me the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many sides, children? 7 sides. Okay, check carefully. 7 sides. So, write down number of sides 7. So, what is the figure called as? Heptagon. If you don't know, you'll have to by heart, children. 7-sided figure is called as heptagon. How many triangles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got that? So, how many triangles? 5 triangles. So, 180 into 5 equal to 5 zeros are 0, 5s are 40. Okay. 5s are 40, 0, 4 carried. 5 ones are 5, 5 plus 4, 9. So, that's 900 degree, children. So, till heptagon we are done. Now, we are going for the next one. Look at that. Tell me how many number of sides? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8-sided figure is called as, that's right, octagon. Octagon. Okay, how many triangles, children? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 triangles. So 180 degree into 6 will be how much? 6 zeros are 0, 6 eights are 48, 4 carry, 6 ones are 6. 6 plus 4 will be 10. That is 1080 degree. How much? 1080 degree. Now listen next, children. Now we will not go on solving till 9 and 10 and 11 and 12. It's a dotted line which shows you it goes on. So it depends on the number of sides. Okay, you can decide the figure. If suppose 10 sides, then what will we say? Decagon. Okay, decagon. So the figure, you will count the number of triangles and you will be writing your number of triangles and 180 degree into that number of triangles. So all we have to understand is when there is n number of sides, so we will have that many triangles. Now n number of sides, so you will are going to count the number of triangles and you are going to do the same pattern. Are you getting me? So here it is. So when it is n number of sides, with any number of sides, 10, 11, 12 or 100. So you are going to write a figure with n sides, 10 side, 11 side, 12 side or whatever. Okay. Now depending on that, you are going to write the figure's name. Okay. Or you are going to write down about the triangles. And it will be n minus 2. You have to remember that number of triangles. Okay. Number of triangles will be n minus 2. That is 180 degree into 180 degree into n minus 2. So for number of sides, it will be a figure with n sides. Any number of sides will be n minus 2. 180 degree into n minus 2. Is it understood, children? Okay, now you have to remember this point. Note. This point you have to remember. The number of triangles formed in a polygon as shown above is 2 less than the number of sides the polygon has. I will tell you what does it mean. The number of triangles formed in a polygon as shown above is 2 less than the number of sides the polygon has. Okay, that means a triangle has got sides. So the number of triangles formed in a polygon. For example, in the first figure, there was only one triangle. Second figure, quadrilateral, we had 2 triangles. Okay, so the number of triangles formed in a polygon is 2 less than the number of sides the polygon has. Okay, I'll explain that, and that is why this is the formula. For n number of sides, you will have to write down number of triangles is n minus 2. 180 degree into n minus 2. For example, if a figure has got 10 sides, so it will be 10 minus 2. And 180 degree into 10 minus 2, that will be 8. So that's how you are going to solve it. Now look at this. What is the note telling you is that, for example, number of triangle is 1. Okay, 1. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So you are getting 1 triangle. That's what n minus 2. For example, here number of sides is 4. Triangle, number of triangles is 2. So triangle is 2. So n minus 2. Your n is 4. 4 minus 2, 2. 2 triangles you are getting. Okay, so like that you just see everywhere you will have the same thing. 5. Okay, it has got 5 sides. 5 minus 2, 3 triangles you are getting. 6. 6 minus 2, 4 triangles you are getting. So this is what the note explains, that number of triangles formed in a polygon is nothing but 2 less than the number of sides the polygon has. For example, 7. 7 minus 2, that's right, 5 triangles. So this is what they have asked us to remember, that the number of triangles formed in a polygon is nothing but number of triangles minus, number of sides minus by 2. That's it. So you have to remember this point. The sum of the measures The sum of the measures of the interior angles of a polygon with n sides is equal to 180 degree into n minus 2. The sum of the measures of the interior angles of a polygon with n sides is 180 degree into n minus 2. So children, with this, I just hope interior angles of a triangle you have understood. I'm just showing you the polygons table so that you can have a look at it and understand clearly. Any doubt, just let me know. In the next video, we will understand exterior angles of a triangle. Thank you children. Have a nice day.